Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. So we're coming out today to pick some strawberries. We have some lettuce already. We've harvested over 50 pounds of lettuce so far. We got our chives going into the great red lettuce, butter crunch lettuce, you name it, we have it. But today we're going to focus on the strawberries. You know, I love picking strawberries. And so I'm going to come out today and see if I can pick some with you. Is that okay? I'm going to take these weeds out of here, pull them out of here. First time I'm weeding this garden. And pull this mess out of here so I can get to my strawberries. Yes, sir. Okay, here we are. How many of these strawberries can we pick? Let's try it. One. We've already picked 10, okay? Oh, that's beautiful. Let's put this over here. You guys can see it. One. 2, 3. Good. I'm gonna let those two sit. 3, 4. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that one. That's gorgeous. I love that. See some more over here. Oh, they're just developing. I normally do about 100 strawberries in a 20-inch planter. I'm not going to mess with the smaller planters because they have the smaller strawberries. I eat those every day. I just come by and eat them. But I'm going after the big ones. So let's take a look at it. Here's another one here. There's another one here. Yes, sir, Bob. Oh, there's another one there. Like I said, we normally do about 100 of these berries. Got some more here. Do I want to harvest those? I'm not sure. Let's try that one. Yeah, let's take that. Okay, all right, so here we go. All right, more strawberries. Let's go find some more. That planter looked pretty good. Is there any more inside of it? Oh, there's one here. I'm gonna try that. Do I want that one? I'll wait. Okay, here we go. Got one right looking at me in the face here. So, there's one there too. Look at that, that's beautiful. I'll take you. Anything else I'm missing in here? Oh, it looks pretty good. Okay, so I picked 10 yesterday. I think I saw something on the other side. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, I saw something over here. Just don't know what it is. There we go. Look at that. All those strawberries in there. Isn't that amazing? Oh my gosh. So, let's pick you out. So, this is my second harvest, okay? And then I eat off of it every once in a while. My children come out and eat off of it. My wife comes off and eats off of it. So, we always have something growing somewhere. Let's try. Did I try this plant already? Let's try this. Oh, look at that. I missed that one. And that's strawberry in there. Oh, that's beautiful. Look like somebody trying to chomp off my strawberry. Yeah, that's one. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? You got to get your strawberries before the animals do. But it is absolutely stunning. Is there anything left in here? We got the smaller berries. Like I said, I just walk by and eat those for fun. They're delicious. Any more of the big planters? I think that should do it. Oh, look at that hidden down in there. You would never ever see that, would you? That is, wow, look at that. Would never have seen that. Man. All right, guys. These are self-growing planters. Remember, all I did was with my grower, I brought 5 strawberry plants and put them inside of this planter. Look, I got more sitting over here. I didn't even see that. Look at that. Oh, sorry, not to touch those. But now from 5 plants, I split them into about 5 different planters. One planter gave me about 100 strawberries, but now it looks like I'll have a lot more. I picked 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, about 26 strawberries so far. And there's a lot more, and I'm enjoying it. Torpedopot grows your food. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and you will have food for the rest of your life. And it will be healthy, organic, beautiful food. food that you need to have in your body. When I wake up in the morning and I'm able to eat my strawberries, all I can think about is nutrition. I love nutrition. And I need to get them before my animals do. But I love my nutrition. And that's why these torpedopots are sitting right here. Because they will grow your food like you've never seen anything grow your food again in your life. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. The proof is in the pudding. Get yourself a torpedo pot. Eat healthy. Talk to you guys later. Love you. Take care of yourself.